In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change event dates in Google Calendar. We all have those moments when plans change and we need to adjust our calendars accordingly. Whether it's rescheduling a meeting or updating a personal reminder, having a handle on how to modify event dates is essential for staying organized and on top of your schedule. So, let's dive into the process. To begin with, open up your web browser and head to the Google Calendar website. You can simply type Google Calendar into your search bar and click on the first result that pops up. Once the page loads, you'll find yourself on the Google Calendar homepage. If you're not already signed in, you'll need to enter your email address and click Next, then input your password and click Next again to log in. Once logged in, you're ready to create an event if you haven't already. On the main calendar page, look for the Create button, usually located on the top left of your screen, and give it a click. This brings up several options, of which you'll want to select Event. Now comes the fun part, naming your event. Be thoughtful about the title you choose, as it should be descriptive enough for you to immediately grasp what the event is about whenever you glance at it. Now proceed to the Date section. Clicking this will bring up a calendar tool where you can select your desired date. Browse through the months if you need to, and simply click the date you want your event to occur. Once you've clicked on your preferred date, you're almost done. Remember to hit the Save button, which is crucial because until you do, your changes won't be stored on your calendar. After clicking Save, your new date should now appear on your Google Calendar, all set and ready. A few handy tips to keep in mind. If you're using recurring events, you can choose whether to change only one occurrence or the entire series. This can be incredibly useful when you have a repeating event but only need to alter one instance. Another tip is to utilize the color coding feature that Google Calendar offers. It can help you visually organize your events, making it easier to distinguish between work, personal, and other types of appointments at a glance. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to seamlessly changing event dates in Google Calendar. With this skill under your belt, managing your time effectively becomes much easier. Don't forget to explore other features within Google Calendar that can further customize the way you plan your days. Thanks for watching, and happy scheduling!